If I started a YouTube channel this year, 2025, I had do this. Hello, my name is Leia and welcome to my channel. Since I just came back here again in YouTube and this is my second long form video, I would like to discuss this topic. I watch a lot of videos that tackle this topic and most of them actually is already monetized, and as for me that not yet monetized, I would like to take an action on this in real time and real situation. I know this topic is a little bit late because we already have year of 2025, but as I said, as for me, I wanted to be raw and take an action of what they're gonna supposed to do. I mean, their advices if they were started a YouTube channel this year. That's why I think doing a YouTube channel now is not really hard or late because they already gave up blueprint and because they already done in this era, and all we have to do is just follow and use their guidelines. Now that I'm starting again my YouTube channel, whoever watches my video and that same in my era, let's do it and grow together. Just leave a comment in my comment section if you are. Anyways, I'm not yet done. It's not my closing line. Actually, just only my beginning. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so if I started a YouTube channel, I will do it differently. I wouldn't try to be perfect because that is my problem in the longest time. That's why I feel so stuck. I wouldn't try to copy anyone else. Also, that's my problem. I'm trying so hard before to copy anyone else. I will do it in my way because the truth is life isn't perfect. Neither am I. And maybe that's the point. That's why before I cannot moving and I keep stucking on that point. For the longest time, I thought about starting a YouTube channel again, but I always thought that not yet, I'm not ready yet because I don't have yet a right camera, I still don't have a right setup, I still don't feel the right confidence. But also I think the more I waited, the time never comes. That's why sometimes you just have to start exactly where you are and whatever you have. So if I started a YouTube channel, I will make it a place for honesty. I will share my journey. I will share my struggles. I also share my lessons and a little things that bring me joy. I wanted my channel to be more than just a video. I want to feel like a community, a space that everyone can watch, listen, and maybe feel little less alone. I would not hide my messy parts of my life. I will talk about the days I felt stuck and the nights that I doubted myself and the moments that I thought that I couldn't keep going, because I know some of us feel that way, and hearing someone else say out loud makes me little easier. If I started a YouTube channel, I will post videos that inspire, encourage, and hopefully the videos that make you smile. Maybe daily vlogs of my life and sit down talks about mental health because I've been there, or even reminders that it's okay to start, even small, and fail and try again. I would like my content to be raw, real, and relatable because that's what I look for too. I wouldn't care being the most authentic one. If I started a YouTube channel, it wouldn't just be about me, it would be about us, about building something together, a space where you can feel seen, you can comment your thoughts, because sometimes just what all we need just to know that we're not alone. So yeah, if I started a YouTube channel, I will do it with honesty, with heart, with courage to be perfect, and maybe one day I actually will. And if that day comes, I hope you will be there with me. So that's it. Let's go start this journey with me. And hopefully we will be there. So this is our journey. So I'm so happy that I already done my second long form video, and hopefully you guys also who watches that same in my era. So annyeong. Bye bye. See you next time. And yay, finally I have microphone. So this is my first video that I will use microphone. I'm so happy for this purchase. This is my first investment in my YouTube journey. So I wanted to show you how I prepare, how I put it. Thank you so much. Bye.